everybody, welcome back to another video in Wobbly Life. And today we are going at perfect parachute because we are going to be diving into the storm, as you remember in last episode. But sadly we couldn't do it because my friend wanted to call me, but we can do it right now. So I already talked to her, but we can go into the storm. Oh man, I haven't looked. There's no. We're closing the jump zone. Once we have the storm in our sight, the pirate will fly over it. Then it's down to you to jump inside. Our rescue crew is underwater. Make sure you have the data had in. And please don't forget to take any questions. Am I good? Oh. Take a picture off the wall, put it on. Aye, Captain. Can I, talk to the... Oh, man! Probably this. I can't help it. Hold on, I'm talking to the pilot. Nope, can't. The pilot has spotted the storm, rolling to the left of the aircraft. This is what we've been waiting for. What we've been waiting for? What I've been waiting for. You're not even doing anything. You're yours. Wait for the green light before you jump. Our tilting. Sir? Are we above, or are we above the water? Or are we like above the storm? These clouds are water. I think it's water. Oh, we're going up. Yep, I see. We're going up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How's he not flying out? Wait, there's a tornado. Thank you, I don't want to fly out. Holy cow. Don't forget to take the video when you're in there. Okay, got it. You're finally awake. You were incredibly well when you came in. Yeah. There was seaweed everywhere. but I can't see any last advantage. You're free to go. Perhaps try something less dangerous next time. Got it. Where am I? Oh, I'm here. Oh, good. Oh. Okay, we got to take the reading back to, I'm pretty sure we got to take the reading back. Okay, we got to take the reading back to the airport. Let's get in the police helicopter. Let's get in the police chopper. Okay, going to do wobbly. Okay. Always nice to see a volunteer. Collins, I'm back. You did it! This is exactly what we need. Just type the storm data into the system. Oh, we're ready. Give it a try. Okay, it's sunny right now, so let's make it cloudy. Okay, 3. What's going on? How's that oh wow. Oh wow. That changed to rubber. How cool is that? What's that? We just need to change, we can now change rubber any rubber you choose will last for a whole day. Though there is a catch. This time I let you free. From now on, well, oh, I got a parachute. Oh, okay. Oh, let's put that on right now. Parachute. Ooh, that looks cool. Okay. I feel like we need something good. Perfect. Man, it's cloudy now. Wow. Okay, so I want to check out more of the updates. Apparently, there's like some new houses. I heard that there's like apartments that you can like buy, which I might do. I just don't know where they are. Oh, that looks like a yeah, look, apartments. Welcome to high-rise apartments. We sell the best apartments in town. Okay. So let's see this. So, ooh, these look pretty good. I don't know which one I want. Can we like check them out? Okay, so how much does each of these cost? 4,000? 4,000. Oh wait, no. 5,000. and 8,000. Okay. Man, I want to check them out. Anyway, probably don't like hit this. Oh man, good. Now my parachute in case. Anyway, what it's gonna do is 4. But let's look at the map. Let's look at the map. Owner's house. I'm pretty sure I don't know if I did look at this house on the Bungle Island. There's a new paint job, which I am going to do in a future episode. There is a thing right there. So yeah, there's and everything seems normal essentially. Well, anyway, I want to test out the parachute. So oh my goodness, that's cool. Well, anyway, I guess that ends today's video, and I hope you all enjoy. But anyway, goodbye.